Alrighty guys, I have another one for you. 95 on the Odyssey with the no starting issue. As many of you will say, this is the main issue, but in my case it was not. So I'm going to show you what I did. Do you see this? So it was 1, 3, 2, and 4. But actually what you want, this is 1, this one right here. Then we have 3. 1, 3. Is this one? 3. So 1, 3, 4. This is 4. And this will be your number 2. I was testing the fuel injectors because I wasn't getting any fuel first. Then I bypassed the fuel pump and I wasn't still getting any fuel here, but all the way over here. If you crack that open, you splash all the fuel. And the main issue on this one, no pulse for the fuel injectors. So I did what many of you would do. I checked the wiring. Oh yeah, I did. So this is after like a week, and you see this right here? This is a brown wire, a brown, a red, and a blue. And then the second row we have the yellow one. So I poked at him with the test light hooked up to a good ground, and this baby wasn't giving me any pulse. Maybe the driver, I don't know, I'm not a electrician. So with the new ECU or PCM, whatever you want to call it, now I do have pulse, and I'm going to show you. Oh yeah, this is my there she is. Alright, so not injector resistors, not a fuel pump relay, but no pulse on my injectors. So there you have it guys. Make sure you check all the fuses, all the relays before decided to replace the ECU, unless you check the pulse coming straight from the ECU. Then you should have a pulse coming onto the yellow wire, the blue wire, I think this is a red one, and the brown one. Alright, we put everything back together, and well, thank God we got it running.